Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back for another event decorations video. So today we are going to make a backdrop, and one of my clients, she wanted a backdrop with lots and lots of flowers. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you for my new subscribers, my old subscribers. Thank you guys so much for subscribing, guys. That means a lot to me, guys. Thank you so much, and I'm going to keep the videos coming. I'm going to keep more decoration videos coming up. So these are the flowers I'm going to be using for this backdrop, and I already tested everything at home before coming to the event. So this is a backyard event, and the client just wanted the backdrop. So right now I went ahead and added my poles, and I'm going to use these two poles, the adjustable poles. I'm going to use them. See me, right now I'm going to adjust them to the height that I want, and I'm going to adjust it according to the height of the green backdrop. This is the artificial boxwood backdrop that I put it together. There were about this is a lot of pieces, so I had to put them together at home before coming up. So, and right now I'm just using like zip ties to like attach it to the pole, and it takes some practice, but if you practice this you get used to it, and it should be easy once you get the hook of it. So I'm just right now attaching the zip ties. Zip ties are my best friend right now, guys. Zip ties, without zip ties I can't do nothing. Like, zip ties are the bomb. They are my best friend. Who knew I would need zip ties in my life like this? I really like them. They help me to attach everything, and everything stays in place. I finished attaching the other side. Right now I'm going to go ahead and see if I can put in the flowers. First I used safety pin to hold down these flowers, but that didn't really do a good job. So I'll rather use like wires, like the floral wires, to hold it together. I also have an assistant. Somebody helped me with the sign. I wanted to put the happy birthday sign, so I have to go to the back of the backdrop to do that. And I had somebody, a very nice, good, I would say a very good assistant. She does the photography, so she came for the event. She had to do the photography. She's very good with the photography, and her name is Niger Extreme. If you haven't checked out yet, please go ahead and check out her channel. She's Extreme Niger, I think. I'll leave a link down below of her name, and you can follow her on Instagram and on YouTube, and she's very good with her pictures and photography. So I went ahead and added the white roses, and I'm also going to go ahead and add some pink roses. And it's a little tricky, but all I have to do is just push it, because the artificial green wall has like holes in between them, so you do it gently so that you don't damage the green wall. This client really loved flowers, and she wanted a lot of flowers, and so I brought a lot of flowers just to put and see which amount I was gonna need. I didn't know how much I was gonna need, but I just kind of gauged, like, I use a lot of roses, and I would say I use about 50 roses, I would say, yeah, for the total that I use. And that's the happy birthday sign up, and I had the hydrangeas flowers on the side, and then the pink and the white roses in between, and I just kind of moved them around because she wanted a lot of flowers. And I wish I had enough time to add more flowers, but I ran out of time, guys. I should have done it in the morning, but I came a little in the afternoon, you know, because the client didn't know how long it was going to take to do this, but it really takes some time. I would say it took me about 2 hours just to set this up, because I had to adjust the flowers and adjust the flowers. So right now I'm putting the roses, the bigger roses, and these ones have like the roses at the center. The center has like it's a little darker shade, and going out is a little pink. I really like these roses. They are gorgeous. They look so cute. They look real, and I really like this is like my favorite rose. They really look attractive. And right now I'm just putting them along and spacing them out and making sure that it's evenly distributed, and putting some at the top. I also forgot to bring my stepping stool, so I had to use chairs to stand. Next time I won't forget that. I'm also going to go ahead and add some white roses. So these are the white roses, and these roses I got them all from Amazon. And all of the roses actually I get my flowers from Amazon. And if you just type in roses, and they will come up. And the ones that I got, they look so real. They're a little bit expensive, but they look real. My client wanted some blue in between her pink roses, so I had to add the blue. It's like a baby blue hydrangeas flowers at the top, and that's what I'm doing right now. I went ahead and added those, but to hook them down was another tough thing. So I will say next time I will hook this up first before I raise the, I would say I should have done this. Yeah, I should have done this before I raised the pole up, so it would have been easier. But since not right now I didn't have enough time to put the pole down before, you know, putting back up. So right now what I was doing is adjusting it. So guys, this is the final look, and it looks so gorgeous, and it looks so cute, and she loved it, and people loved it. And I also have her name up there, and it looked all gorgeous, guys. And the flowers were popping, and everything looks fine. And she got her flowers, and she got her green wall, and she was happy about it. These are like LED lights that I ordered from Amazon, and I DIY the name. The flowers, as you can see, these are the roses. It might be a little bright on the camera, but physically it wasn't as bright. It looks so soft and nice, and I used a lot of roses to do this, and that was a lot of roses. I didn't expect that much roses, but thank God I brought a lot, so it was just enough. Even though I had to add a little bit more, but the client said it was fine, that there wasn't enough time to do that. So she was happy with the result as it looks like right now, and that's how the final result was. And this is the name I was telling you about. As you can see, I really like the blue flowers though. The blue really popped. It really popped really nice with the green wall. Like, I might have to do a backdrop with just the blue and the green hydrangeas flowers at the top. You can see those flowers at the top. They look so good. The color of that blue is amazing. And I also got those blue flowers from Amazon. I also got this name sign from Amazon. Like, Amazon is my best friend, guys. When I tell you Amazon is my best friend, I can't do without Amazon. Like, all this event planning will not be successful without Amazon. Thank you guys so much for watching, guys, and until next week, guys. Bye. Thank you for subscribing.